Everybody, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. I'm excited to have you here because we're about to break down the method that can help you earn up to $20,000 per month online without Clickbank or even one of those big websites. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for being here. I'm excited to share with you the things I've been learning as I've been building my affiliate marketing business. This business model is what I found to be the most effective way to make money online. The reality is, this business model is still working. Some will say it's dead or not profitable. It is very possible to make money by referring customers to products and services that you're an affiliate for. So, if you're looking to start an online business but aren't sure where to start, let me show you some things that works time and time again. And like I said, this doesn't require a website, it doesn't require using Clickbank, and it's totally beginner friendly. As we get started, make sure to hit that like button as well as the subscribe button to this video below. Turn on notifications to make sure you are notified when I release a new video content, which is regularly. Now, let's break it down. How do we make money without a website and without Clickbank? What we want to do is affiliate marketing, as I mentioned earlier. Now, when affiliate marketing was in its infancy, it worked pretty simply. You sent traffic, customers, to a website, which was basically an affiliate offer. When somebody bought something, you made money, what we like to call commissions. The key was traffic, how you got people to your offer, and this is requiring an affiliate link. Here's the problem with this simple method, and the reason I made this video today. You only earn one commission. Each customer represented only one single commission. This happens for a reason, and it's no secret. Companies like to make money, and no company only sells one product. So what happens is that they get you to promote their affiliate product, but they only pay you for the product you promote. But you know that on the back end, the customer is buying more stuff, and you get left out. No commissions on those future purchases. And that's basic affiliate marketing. This is how many people get started and can be a way to generate thousands of dollars each month. The major flaw with this system is that it's broken, and you don't get paid if people purchase more stuff with the company you promoted. It's not fun to work hard and only get paid for a small part of the pie you just sold. And in my mind, I'd rather participate in the whole thing. If you're the same way, smash that like button below. Now, there are many different companies to choose from when looking for affiliate offers. Amazon, Walmart, eBay, Clickbank, which is actually an affiliate marketplace, and the list goes on. Just know that you only get paid for a single purchase of the single product you're promoting. What I do instead, and what I'm sure you'd rather do, is called affiliate ecosystem marketing. The main difference between this and normal affiliate marketing is that you get paid commissions for all products purchased at any time the customer you refer. So, for example, let's say the customer named John used your affiliate link and purchased a product on June 1st. Then, on June 10th, he buys again. With normal affiliate marketing, you only get paid for the June 1st purchase. With ecosystem marketing, you get paid for both the June 1st and the June 10th purchase, plus any other future purchases that John makes. You don't need to be a business expert to know that this is a far better deal. You get more money by virtue of participating in all the revenue that's generated. To highlight this idea further, let's say you walk into Best Buy one day to buy a TV. So you walk in and find the TV you're looking for and decide to purchase it. In 99% of these situations, you're also encouraged to purchase a TV mount, a soundbar, an extended warranty, and a Roku. The list goes on. Best Buy makes money not only selling TVs, but by offering a complementary mix of products for your TV. That is the idea of ecosystem marketing. It's the fastest way to get up to $20,000 per month in revenue. This is because it multiplies the number of commissions you can make from one to many. Now, I've been a part of this company that offers an ecosystem for beginners to promote and profit from, and that's Partner with Anthony. This program allows you to partner with Anthony Morrison, a digital marketing expert, and tap into his suite of apps, softwares, and courses. To date, this program gives you the chance to promote 15 products, 4 of which are recurring revenue software programs. This ecosystem is a perfect way for beginners, and it only costs $7 per month to join. And it gives you the ability to not only make money by referring PWA, but through promoting other courses that Anthony builds. One interesting aspect of this course is that Anthony really does all the selling for you. You just do some basic setup process, run traffic, which he teaches you how to do effectively, and sit back while the commissions flow in. If you're looking to start an online business but aren't sure where to begin, this course is what I'd recommend. It's perfect for beginners. You can check it out by clicking the link in the description below. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can start your journey to $20,000 per month in affiliate commissions. As always, thank you for stopping by and watching today's video. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I'll see you next time.